In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage tickets in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or you're looking to refine your customer support process, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to streamline your workflow. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. This might seem like a given, but remember to use your credentials carefully and keep them secure. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start. In the HubSpot environment, navigate your way to the Service section. This is where you'll find your help desk, a crucial hub for ticket management. Now that you're in the help desk, it's time to create a new ticket. Look for the Create Ticket button. Once clicked, you'll need to enter some critical details about the ticket you're setting up. This is an essential part of the process because the accuracy of these details can make the management of the ticket much smoother. You'll be prompted to fill in information such as the ticket's name, which should be descriptive enough to easily identify what the ticket is about later. Then, choose the appropriate pipeline. Your choice here should reflect the category or department best suited to handle this issue or request. Additionally, don't forget to set the status of the ticket. This can range from new to in progress or closed, depending on where the ticket stands in its life cycle. Keep in mind that the clearer and more organized your ticket details are, the more efficient your team's response will be. Once your ticket is created, managing tickets effectively is crucial to maintaining efficient operations. Revisit the help desk under the service area where you began. Here, you'll find a robust ticket dashboard that acts as your command center for ticket management. The dashboard allows you to view all existing tickets, providing a comprehensive overview of their current states and priorities. It's a good practice to regularly check this area to stay updated on ongoing issues and tasks. You can filter the tickets based on various metrics such as status, pipeline, or assigned team member. This filtering capability is particularly beneficial when dealing with a high volume of tickets, as it allows you to prioritize and sort tickets to ensure that the most pressing issues are addressed promptly. Through this dashboard, not only can you keep track of existing tickets, but you can also make updates, move tickets to different stages in the pipeline, or reassign them as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering ticket creation and management in HubSpot CRM, ultimately enhancing your customer support experience and boosting your team's productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice these steps to get the most out of your HubSpot tools.